Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels, where passion for cars meets the latest innovations and timeless legends. Today we're bringing you something that will blow your mind, a car that takes nostalgia and injects it with 21st century performance. We're talking about the 2026 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am WS6, a modern-day rebirth of an icon that once ruled the streets and captured the hearts of millions. The Firebird has always been one of those cars that stood out not just for its power, but also for its presence. From the 70s to the 90s, the Trans Am earned its spot as one of America's greatest muscle cars. It wasn't just a vehicle, it was a statement, a rolling piece of culture that combined raw aggression with head-turning style. Now, decades later, Pontiac's spirit lives again through GM's performance revival, and this 2026 Firebird Trans Am WS6 is proof that legends never die, they evolve. Looking at the exterior, this car screams dominance. The front fascia is bold and muscular with wide air intakes, sharp LED headlights, and that unmistakable aggressive stance. The hood brings back the legendary shaker scoop design but enhances it with modern functionality, channeling air for maximum performance. Along the sides, wide fenders, aerodynamic lines, and a low-slung body remind you that this isn't just a showpiece, it's built to perform. At the back, quad exhausts and a sculpted rear diffuser tie it all together, making the WS6 look ready to devour asphalt. But let's talk power, because that's where the magic really happens. Underneath the hood lies a beastly 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine cranking out a jaw-dropping 720 horsepower. This isn't just brute force though. The 2026 Trans Am WS6 comes with an advanced suspension setup, adaptive dampers, and the signature WS6 performance package that ensures maximum grip, agility, and balance. Whether you're taking it down the drag strip or carving through winding roads, this machine delivers an adrenaline rush like few others can. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that strikes the perfect balance between heritage and modernity. Premium leather seats with retro-inspired stitching, carbon fiber trims, and a driver-focused layout make it feel like a true muscle car cockpit. At the same time, you've got cutting-edge technology like a full digital driver's display, massive infotainment screen with wireless connectivity, and a booming premium sound system. This isn't just a ride, it's an immersive experience that keeps you connected while still reminding you of the golden era of muscle. Of course, no Firebird Trans Am would be complete without that sound. The exhaust note is pure symphony, a thunderous roar that announces its arrival long before you see it. It's aggressive, it's unapologetic, and it stays true to the spirit of Pontiac's glory days. This car isn't just about going fast, it's about making you feel something every time you hit the ignition. The 2026 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am WS6 is more than a car, it's a cultural revival. It's proof that American muscle still has a place in the modern era, redefined with technology, precision, and a respect for heritage. For collectors, enthusiasts, and dreamers, this is a machine destined to become an instant classic. So car lovers, what do you think? Did Pontiac's legend return in the best possible way? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you love powerful reviews, timeless classics, and the hottest trends in the automotive world, make sure to smash that like button, share this video with fellow gearheads, and subscribe to Car Trend. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Until then, keep the passion alive, and always keep driving forward with style and power.